Lahachok. The moment you hear its name, you imagine green hills, peaceful surroundings, cool mountain air, terraced fields, village life, and a beautiful community filled with warmth and belonging. It is not just a village. It is a living story of the relationship between people and nature. As you travel away from Pokhara and the noise of the city gradually fades behind you, the road begins to follow the green hills, and the beauty of Lahachok slowly unfolds before your eyes. When you arrive here, the noise of the city disappears. All you hear is the chirping of birds, the gentle sound of the wind, the voices of people working in the fields, and sometimes the distant sound of bells.